First, I'll tell you how the heart works. But before we get in detail with the heart, I'll tell you how the blood actually gets into the heart. So, there's the vessels that carry blood are called veins and arteries. Veins carry blood from the body and to the heart, while arteries carry blood from the heart and to the body. So I have a picture here, and if you notice, this is also my physical education project for the second quarter. Anyways, I'll tell you how the human heart works. First, the blood enters the superior and the inferior vena cava. Then, it enters the chamber called the right atrium, which is over here. Then it goes down to this other chamber called the right ventricle. Here, the blood is still deoxygenated. Next, it goes up to this place called the pulmonary artery. And did you know that the word pulmonary actually is actually related to the word lungs, because it's connected to the lungs, which would be supposed to be here. Then the blood enters the lungs, which exchanges carbon dioxide and oxygen. Then now the oxygen-rich blood enters the pulmonary veins. Then it goes to the left atrium, then down to the right ventricle, and finally it goes to the aorta. The aorta is actually an artery as well. And from here, the oxygen-rich blood will now go to the rest of the body. And that is how the heart works. And there you go. Now you know how the most important part of our body actually works. Now, it's time to talk about risk factors and behaviors. The main disease that I'll be showing you how to prevent is coronary artery disease, or CAD. And I'll tell you exactly what CAD actually is. CAD is caused by plaques which grow on the walls of arteries. This could go on for years without us even noticing. So, the effect of this is that sooner or later, the plaques could block the blood flow in the arteries. And it doesn't end there. Plaques can spread into multiple arteries too. And if an artery gets really clogged, the body and the heart will soon lose oxygen, thus leading to a heart attack. And in a case where an artery gets totally blocked, the artery itself could swollen up or even burst. This could be very fatal. That's why we need special risk factors and behaviors to prevent CAD. The risk factors, or the things that cause CAD, are family history, diet, smoking, stress, and obesity. And the behaviors, or the ways to prevent CAD, are do the opposite of most risk factors, like changing your diet, quit smoking, avoid stress, and exercise is very crucial because it tones the heart, it raises good cholesterol count, it lowers blood pressure, and even cleans blood vessels. So those are all the risk factors and behaviors. And that also ends my physical education presentation. Thank you again for being here, and I'll see you on the next video.